Well, I'd say before we started our 12-month coaching program with Dental Wealth Builder, we were basically at a stage where we had kind of, just prior to that, really improved our clinical skills. We'd been on numerous courses. We had just at that stage also completed the Frank Spear Academy in the US, and were kind of our focus at that stage was really just doing cosmetic work really more than anything else. So we were at a stage in our careers where we were, what do we do now? We've got all these wonderful clinical skills and wanted to implement them in our practice. So we were clinically pretty sound, but needed to elevate our practice and take it to the next level. And that's when Dental Wealth Builder came along and helped us to actually elevate our practice and move forward.
We work at a dental studio, and we started working with Bhavna and Rahul about 15 years ago, and that was the best decision we made in the growth of the practice, in our vision of the practice. And I think the most important thing that changed everything was the patient journey. And listening to Bhavna again today, 15 years later, that's still the most important thing, is the patient journey and how we can keep adapting and evolving as time changes.
So I think basically what it's kind of really made us realize more than anything else is that you need systems and protocols within a practice, and every person needs to know their role, they need to know what they're doing, and most importantly, you need to all do it together as a team.
In terms of patient behavior, we realized that by educating the patient, showing them what they can achieve in different formats, digitally,
Befores and
afters, and doing a comprehensive exam, that they have the option of choosing what the best treatment plan is for them. And if that's not ideally suitable, then we always have alternative options for them. So it's a one-stop shop.
Absolutely, and I think also sometimes I think that the patients love being spoiled. They want to be made to feel special. So I think it's such a big deal for a patient when they're looking to improve their smile or seek some treatment. They want to feel amazing after, and they want you to, they just want to be made to feel special. I'd say absolutely it does, but at the end of the day, I think you have to buy into it. You have to do your homework, you have to do the bits that are important. Most importantly, what you put in is what you're going to get out. But it absolutely is an amazing program, and at the end of the day, like I said, it's probably the single most important thing that I've probably done in my career professionally, that I'm still practicing so many of those principles that I kind of adopted very early on 15 years ago.
And I can definitely say we are living proof of it, breathing proof of it. So if anyone wants to come talk to us, they're more than welcome. Another point that Bhavna said today, which we still carry out, work 4 days a week, take a break every 6 weeks, and plan for the whole year ahead. And that's the most important thing. That's how
Absolutely.
our life becomes easier. You have more free time,